Hey everyone. So today we're going to do a 16 by 20 dirty pour, and I'm going to use browns and coppers, and I am going to throw a little bit of red ochre in there. But I'm going to do the cups first, and we'll see how we layer the cups. So I'll probably do 4. If I have leftover, I'll just throw it on a tile. I'm going to spray them with the WD-40 silicone spray. This helps to release the paint from the cup. And if you're washing your cups, it makes it much easier to clean them. Okay, so I'm going to give it just a little shot of black in the bottom. And then I'm going to follow that with Royal Ruby Metallic. This is from Coat Art. And then I'm going to follow that with some gold. And then some Lucas Brown, Van Dyke Brown. Then some Craft Smart Deep Bronze Metallic. Some Soho Red Ochre. Some Coat Art Rich Espresso. It's like a brown metallic. It's not a dark brown though. It's very close to the deep bronze. And then I'm going to put some Creative Inspirations Burnt Sienna. And just a touch of white. And then we're going to do it again. Except this time we're going to go backwards. So we're going to go ahead with the burnt sienna first. Then the rich espresso. The red ochre. The deep bronze. I'm going to mix it up just a little bit and put some black here. Whoops. The Lucas Van Dyke Brown. Yay. You know how much I love to mix paint. Okay. Craft Smart Gold. And the Royal Ruby. So that should be enough paint. And we'll set those aside, bring our canvas back. Okay. And we're just going to pour. I love this already. Let's come in from this way. Every cup will be different. Bring this one in. And this is where I start putting some lines in because I know what's coming out of the cup. And that's okay here because we're going to cover that right now. All right. So let's get it all together. And then we'll give it a quick torch. Okay. All right, let's get tilting. This is pretty here. And I will use my cuppy hands, as we call them. No corner catchers for me. I'm going to come down this opposite corner here, just so I can stretch that piece out. Bring that paint back to the middle and head down here. I'm hoping that black opens up. There it comes. I was getting a little worried there. Although I have a patch of brown there. I'm going to lose that pretty little side that I liked. Those corners covered. Turn it around. Now I'm going to balance. So I'm really liking this. Very neutral. I could have put a splash of blue in there, but I always put blue in my paintings, so I thought, let's do one without blue for all my blue haters out there. Let's torch it up and see what we get. Some new cells. It will develop quite a bit too as it sits, because these are metallics and they like to sit on top, but then they gradually like to sink a little. I'm liking these cells coming up in these bands, so I'm playing with them just a little bit. Yeah, I'm really liking this. So if you haven't subscribed yet, click below and click on the bell. You'll be notified when I upload my next video. Click like and share, leave a comment. Join us on Facebook. We have our Parage Posse group now. And also my art page is there, the link for that. Get your Stone Coat Art Coat resin with our code below. It's $30 off an $80 order. And our new code is POSSE, P-O-S-S-E, at checkout. And our fan mail is there. Our link to the PayPal donations are there. We do a sponsor giveaway every quarter. Our next drawing will be January 2nd. So there's still time to get in on that. Shop with us on Amazon for all your supplies. We're running a big sale on paintings right now on Etsy. They will be on sale until December 12th. That's my final ship date. So make sure if you're looking at a painting to get it now while it's on sale. But she's pretty. I love her. She's different for me for sure. Right, guys? So thank you so much for watching. And I will see you all on the next one. Bye now.